Jeff was available 24/7 for us. Anytime we needed him, he was there. What sets Jeff apart from other realtors is he's a genuinely honest guy, and he tells everything like it is, and he does everything with a smile.
Jeff did a wonderful job negotiating on my behalf. I always felt that Jeff was on the same side of the table as me, and was coaching me through the sale of the house. And so I'd recommend Home Group and Jeff Moisan to anybody that ever seen him.
Jeff was available whenever we needed him, by text, by phone, very fast to answer emails, and made himself available to us around our work schedules. We would absolutely recommend Jeff to our friends and family members. There'd be no hesitation at all.
Yeah, Jeff was helpful basically from the second that we called him saying, you know, we're interested in looking and buying houses, until well beyond the purchase of this house and well after we've moved in as well. So he's always been there to help out. And I think that's tough to come by.
We would absolutely recommend Jeff to anyone that's looking to buy. He was great start to finish, and I've heard the same with selling. So when we do go to upgrade someday, we'll be contacting him again.